did Howard Dunington-Grubb know that the company he started in 1913, Sheridan Nurseries, would endure and survive not one, but two pandemics. Each time, the company has learned and adapted ways of doing business and emerged stronger for it. I want to applaud all the dedicated frontline workers across the industry, from garden center cashiers to maintenance crews, who worked so hard to serve customers and clients over the past 2 years. You made it possible for us to keep the doors open. It is always my great pleasure to present one of the most coveted awards of the evening. Named for our Sheridan founder, the Dunington-Grubb Award is presented to the project that received the highest overall score within the construction program. With a landscape that simply and beautifully demonstrates what it means to have all its elements in harmony, let's reveal this year's Best Construction Project.
The Landmark Group for Tranquil Hideaway.